Welcome back to the wettest channel on the internet, and this is Throwback Thursday Show. And this video has two parts, but I'm gonna leave the second part link on the description below if you guys want to see it. Or you can always wait to the end and click on the thumbnail. Today we have Capitan Fresquito driving the hydro and Regatta sitting in the back taking advantage of this beautiful sunny day while she chillaxes before we get to the bar. We're back! We're back on the best place on earth. On the water. And look at this. Is it me? Or the water looks perfect today. It has a beautiful color. It's almost crystal clear. And look at that. We have plenty of open area to anchor up. And we're gonna do it at my favorite spot on the north side of the Sandbar. And by the way, the water temperature is almost perfect. Not too hot, not too cold, but good enough to refresh. And shortly after that, more boating friends showed up and we wrapped up together. And the fun is about to start. But first, you gotta protect yourself and apply the sunblock because the day is very hot. And I think it's gonna get even hotter. And what I like to say about Sandbar life, the more friends, the more fun you're gonna have in the sun.
Yeah, it's weird. It should be going out.
Coming in, I feel it.
Yeah, I know. That's weird.
It should be going out, yeah.
Yeah, it's weird because...
We're going to have to back the boats up. No, he says it was outside when he got in.
Yeah.
Dude, that shit feels like it's coming in. I feel the current.
Únicamente que sea King's Tide.
Yeah.
Must be it because...
Okay, if you guys are wondering what we're talking about, is that we're a little bit puzzled because when I came in, it was high tide and now it's getting even higher. So we were wondering what's going on, but that's not gonna stop us from having fun at the Sandbar today. I guess we're gonna have to move the boats a little back so the girls could reach in the shallow area. But high tide, low tide, medium tide, it doesn't matter. It's not gonna stop us or anyone coming to the Sandbar to enjoy it. And as you can see, when we came, it was pretty empty, but it's starting to get filled up, even though the weatherman said 40% of scattered showers. And the more time went by, the more people came. And I noticed over the years, all over Sandbar has become a very popular spot around the world, because I have met people from Brazil, Russia, Canada, Venezuela, Colombia, Paraguay, Panama, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Trinidad, and even from our neighbors with beautiful water from the Bahamas. I never thought that my videos would influence people to come visit this little patch of sand located in Miami, Florida, in the middle of the bay, called All Over Sandbar. And it's a lifestyle shared by many people called Sandbar life. And this lifestyle is enjoyed by everyone. Doesn't matter the color, the age, the gender, the religion, and if you have a boat or not, as long as you love the water and the sand.
And Regatta weekend. Having fun in the sun. Wait. We got the real Regatta people. Yeah. The real. Wow, real nice. Yeah, how you doing, man? What's your name? Harold? Nice to meet you, man. I like it. You guys came with a real spirit. Really nice. Bueno, iba a tirar.
Well, I guess today turned out to be a special day. Not because it's the regatta, but because I met some really cool people with the regatta spirit. And if you guys don't know what the regatta is, well, you're gonna have to go look through my video library and type out regatta, and you're gonna see why they use the beads. But now, like usual, the girls are gonna take advantage now since they're together and take some pictures. But I think today we have a photo coordinator. About 20 attempts or so, we finally got it done, and we got some great pictures that I post them up on Facebook and Instagram. And let me know your cool hangout spot on the water. Send them to me or post them and tag us, Fresco Channel. Well, so far so good, no rain, and we're having a great time at the Sandbar with some great people. But you know what? My stomach is saying, yo, what's going on with the food? So you know what time is it? Yep, sausage time. And today we got small fat ones and long and skinny ones. And they're accompanied by a great view. And guess what? What did I forget today? Well, I forgot to bring utensils to flip the sausages. So I guess I'm gonna have to do them by hand. And hopefully I don't get burnt. And like I always say, once my kids smell food, they come, and they're here, waiting for the sausages. And I'm still amazed today because we came in high tide, and now the tide got even higher. I mean, what's going on? Or it must be king tides, I guess. But you know what? It's not affecting the color of the water at all. It's almost still crystal clear. And well, some sausages are starting to get done, and as fast as I put them on the plate, as fast as people are taking them. That's a good thing though, you know, sharing food on the water. And I've gotten this question many times by many different people. Why do I always make sausages? Well, because I like them, and I think they're easy to do and they taste great. And you want something to do on the grill that's fast, because you don't want to spend the whole day grilling while everybody's jumping around the water, because I want to play in the water too. Well, my stomach's satisfied and so everybody else is. So we're gonna jump back in the water and keep having fun here at Sandbar. Well, more time passed by, more people coming. That's a good thing, because there's always enough room for everyone to have fun in the sun at the Sandbar. And look at this, I got to meet this great fan.
Look, who can stop by?
Hey, Fresco Channel. The best, right? That's what Daddy watches every day. He said, Daddy, can you stop watching boats? Nice meeting you, man.
It's always a pleasure to meet the people that watch the channel and their families. And I met a few others, but I didn't have the camera with me. But now we're gonna sneak on my biggest fan. And she was hiding, but I caught her anyway, because she loves to be on camera. But she don't know it yet until she sees the video. But we're gonna keep walking around and see what else everybody's here is up to.
Mira esto. Mira esto. Oh, look at Tom Cruise right here. Oh, look, he's at the Sandbar.
Well, what do you guys think so far about Regatta weekend? I mean, it's the first time that actually I come here on Regatta weekend, because normally it's held at Elliott Key, but for the past 2 years it's been less boats and less boats. So I figured there's no better place than But I think that what kept most people away was the 40% chance of rain. That nothing happened anyway. So remember, you cannot trust the Florida weather. But something you can definitely trust is having a good time at Sandbar and watching it on Fresco Channel.